Ron did a little walkthrough of one of our recent projects at BMW. Pretty exciting.
It was an exciting project.
Yeah. It was super small. We built them a little key room. Well, you're gonna find out. So Ron's gonna go on site, walk you through this project, and let us know what you think.
It's a huge building with a little building inside.
But for a really amazing client.
Yes.
Keep watching.
We are at BMW Parts Distribution Center in Jacksonville. BMW called us a while back and they said they wanted us to do a design and a build for a key room in their parts distribution center. That's where we're at right now. It's a simple little box, but at the same time, it's a little bit tech inside as far as flooring and things like that. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, so at BMW, by the way, I'm wondering how many people know what BMW stands for. Maybe we'll put that at the end of the video. So what we did here, because this is such a high ceiling, there is a 48-foot roof deck above this, and obviously we have to keep everything that high. So what we did, we had a sprinkler system installed, and we did the drops, and we did a condensate line and air conditioning. Everything was from the deck down to the room and then back to the actual mechanical closet. Okay, we are inside the key room here at BMW. This huge warehouse that we're in is over 420,000 square foot. This little room, it's only 20 by 20, but we had to work in this warehouse while they were operating daily operations, normal operations, and the logistics of making sure we get material in and out, scheduling things, make sure we're not interfering with their operations. BMW is very nice to work with. We love having that relationship with them. So inside the room, what we have here is, it's a simple room, but we have climate control. It has its own air conditioning unit, mini split in the wall. It has static-free flooring. They're not done setting up their desks. They have a power pole here that we put in to accommodate them at the desk. And basically this is where they make keys. It's a key room for the vehicles BMW. And BMW stands for Bavarian Motor Works, for those that don't know. Inside the room, as we said before, there's climate control. This is the mini split. The condenser is up on the roof of this little building. It's only 10 foot tall. Again, the roof deck in this warehouse is 48 feet tall. It shows you that they have a thermostat control for that. And then in this room, you can see 20 by 20, we have all this lighting here. It's very bright. This is part of the design. By the way, we did do the design of this room for them. I don't know that I mentioned that before. We did the complete architectural design, the permit drawings to submit to accomplish this building for them. Along with that, the sprinkler heads, which you can see from the video outside, this does have 4 sprinkler heads in the ceiling for fire control. We did put these 2 windows in here, obviously based on their needs. One of the things that J-Lane Construction does with any client is we meet with them in the beginning, find out their needs, what they need for logistic-wise to accommodate them in their project. That's exactly what we did with BMW. Again, we had an initial conversation with them. We had site visits for the space, went to the architect with a space plan, put design together, and then collaborated with the client to make sure it's what they wanted. Now this is BMW, but we could do this for any client in any industry. We will definitely accommodate your needs, help you with the design, and put together a project that's perfect for your business.